Hello, hello. Today I present to you my favorite food. Grape leaves stuffed with rice and vegetables. Follow me step by step. Subscribe to get all that is new. Let's get started. Ingredients: soft grape. Leaves 5 cups of rice, 2 bound soft. Tomato, 2 cups of tomato sauce, 2 pack of parsley, 2 packs of dill, 1 large onion, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon pomegranate molasses. Optional. Spices: 1 tablespoon of salt, or as desired 1 teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of dry coriander, half teaspoon of cumin.
المكونات: برطمان ورق عنب، 5 أكواب رز، 2 باون طماطم طرية يعني حوالي كيلو إلا ربع، 2 كوب صلصة طماطم، 2 حزمة بقدونس، 2 حزمة شبت، 1 بصلة كبيرة، 3 معالق كبار زيت زيتون، 1 معلقة صغيرة دبس الرمان وده اختياري. التوابل: 1 معلقة كبيرة ملح أو حسب الرغبة، 1 معلقة صغيرة بابريكا، نص معلقة صغيرة فلفل أسود، نص معلقة صغيرة كزبرة ناشفة، نص معلقة صغيرة كمون.
Preserved grape leaf jar. It is about 908 grams. Drain it and wash it well with normal water. Soak it in hot water for 15 minutes. Wash and cut the tomatoes in half. We add half a cup of water to the blender, and after that, add some of the tomatoes, little by little, to make tomato juice. In a large pan, add oil when it is hot. Add chopped onion. At a medium heat, stir the onion for 2 minutes until it stays soft. Add tomato juice. When it's boiling, add the tomato sauce. Cook it until it gets redder and thicker. Add spices: salt, cumin, paprika, dried coriander, and mix it well. Add pomegranate molasses and mix well. Turn off the heat and then leave it to rest for 10 minutes. And then add the greenery. Wash the rice well until the water becomes clear and drain it well. Add rice over the tomato sauce and mix well. Drain the grape leaves of the water well. Let's stuff the grape leaves. The soft side of the outside and the roughness of the inside. Take a teaspoon of filling and put it in the middle. Bend the paper from above and then the sides, repeating the same process until we finish the grape leaves. Cut the large leaf in half to make it smaller. Place slices of potato and tomato at the bottom of the pot. Then, put the grape leaves in the pot in circles. Let's make the broth. 2 cups of hot water. Add broth powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of adobo spices. Optional. 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and then mix well. Add the mixture to the grape leaves. Note that the water is between the leaves, not above. Add a ceramic plate on top on it, and over medium heat, cook it until the water is dissolved. Grape leaves stuffed are ready to serve. Enjoy this delicious, refreshing vegetarian dish that brings the taste of the Mediterranean to your table. Perfect for sharing with family and friends. Simple, healthy, and full of flavor. Don't forget to like, share, leave comments, and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Thank you for watching. Wait for more delicious recipes.